Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another rebuild video. Today we are working on the Ford Focus, which you guys saw the pickup video. If you subscribed to see this rebuild, here it is. I want to say thank you. And first things first, we're going to try to put the bumper on. Oh, I see some misalignment happening right here, so we'll take a look at that. I bought a new oil filter for us, so we will do an oil change on it and then clean it up, and hopefully that should be enough to sell it. The other thing is this plastic piece. I'm gonna see if I could pull it off and then re-glue it or get a new tab for it, because it does rattle quite a bit. But it's a project, not a massive project, and I am hoping that it will actually be a rather quick sell. So first stop, or the only stop, is my house, because that's where I do all the work. So let's get this thing to my place and let's start working on it. I have made it home, so I'm looking at this. Something like this might be a slight problem for me. I guess we'll find out if I'll need new brackets, so we will see. Maybe this won't be as quick of a flip as I thought it would be. But first things first, we gotta take out this bumper. Just pop the trunk. Hey, look at that. Have the reinforcement, whatever it's called, thingy. Here's my grill that I didn't know if I had or not. I even have a tube for the river. Some crackers. A little messy, but we'll clean it all out. No biggie. Here's the rough idea. And this is the only damage right there. I'll probably have to get a little cover like on this side so it looks a little bit better. But I think I have everything to put this back together. Clearly it's not going to be perfect. I will sell it with this minor, major, I don't know, you guys decide. This little gash, I don't think it's nothing big. And then try to adjust the headlight a little bit. I see it cracked right here and here, so the brackets are broken on it. So we'll see what we can do about that, but main priority right now is that front bumper, and then the grill, and then oil change, and then we will try to adjust things so it looks better. I'm just making sure all the lights work, everything works. So this will be the problem area right here, and the bracket that holds the bumper got pushed back a little bit with the fender, so that will be the biggest issue to kind of straighten out. Everything here is flush, everything here looks good. So I'll probably pull off the bumper a little bit, definitely take out the headlight and see what I can figure out. And would you look at what I found? Nice little bracket in the trunk. So it looks like I literally have everything. Just gotta figure out this corner right here. Got the headlight out, took the bumper bracket off. I actually plastic welded it. Let's see if there will be, there we go. And same from this side, just so that it holds better. It's already cooling off, I can let go and there's no gaps. So what I will have to do now, or what I would like to do, is do the exact same thing for the headlight brackets. Plastic weld those back on so that the headlight just holds a little bit more securely. And I straightened this out, so basically what happened was this just folded up a little bit. Let me get in there with better light. And using a small rubber mallet, I smacked here a few times and I saw this straightening out. So now, more or less, when I pick this up, basically, again, one-handed, but there's a slight gap, so I'll need to, not a gap, but this comes out a little bit more than I would like, so I'll need to bend this back once I'm done with plastic welding, just so that has time to kind of cure. Everything else honestly seems to be pretty darn good. I should be able to get this done today. And here we have it. It's not perfect, but it will do. And I checked the oil. It is fresh. It is very, very, very fresh. So it seems like when I picked it up, it was just a little bit lower, so maybe they didn't add half a quart or so. So this thing has a fresh oil change, so I guess I'll be selling it. with an additional extra oil filter. I think last thing to do is clean it up, get the stuff out of the trunk, wipe down the interior, disinfect everything with my steam cleaner, and then get ready to take pictures of it tomorrow and get it listed to sell. I am going to start with the trunk because it seems like it's the filthiest and it will be the easiest to kind of see a big difference. And here's the Focus. Ignore that, I have a buyer for it. But Focus is done, it is photographed, it is cleaned up, it is pretty much good to go. It's listed, and now we wait and see how long it's gonna take until it sells. As for this video, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you subscribe, and I think once the Focus sells, probably update the description, run you through the numbers, but as of right now I am less than $1,200 into that car, and I have it listed for $2,750. So we'll see. I'm shooting for probably 1,300 bucks profit on it. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.